All right, Quentin, thank you. A federal judge will decide this week whether a new law creating the Metro Jackson Water Authority can take effect. Now, of course, that hearing set for Thursday in U.S. District Court here in Jackson. We first told you last night about the city filing a motion to block it. Officials argue the measure violates the Supremacy Act of the U.S. Constitution. Now, this hearing falls just one day before the deadline for officials to name appointees to the Metro Jackson Water Authority Governing Board. 5 of the 9 members have been named already.